got it.
We just got absolutely cooked by Aiden's team, but it's okay. We're still in first no matter what.
Not true.
We're still in first.
Will has to win 2 straight games to
We're
get first.
tied first no matter what.
Yeah. But we would play Will if Will wins this game. For 1 seed.
Okay. Yo, mix the lineup.
Adam v. Aiden. Ball 1. We're good.
Get out.
Oh, first pitch dig.
Guys, if we touch him before he hits him, like
He's gotten me to that pitch a couple of times. And that's gone. That's gone.
But if you had better breaks, you wouldn't cook the ball.
Yeah, I need to get new breaks.
Wait, so does this just show our team is terrible?
It's 2-0. Our team is terrible.
How are we in first? Genuinely, how is our team in first? It makes no sense. We're like the worst 3 hitters in the league, me and Theo, like stats-wise.
Hey, yeah, good eye.
No coaching.
Yeah, let's go.
Aiden is out of the game. Jeff Frank's back in.
I caught my knee open and
Oh,
I slid into
like,
second base.
where?
Yes, let's go. Yeah, baby. Come on. Let's go.
And a home run from Adam Ritchie.
No, you can't touch me.
Way out of here.
Yo, alley-oop. Hey, alley-oop. What? Alley-oop. Yep.
Oh, it's a hard watch. John has not ever hit a home run before.
John's gonna miss the base again.
John's still looking for his first career home run.
Adam.
Yo, chill.
That's a pop-up and a half.
What are we saying get out for? Bennett almost dropped it.
Look at Aiden, man. So inspirational.
Zephyr rocking the
Adam
ball.
Ritchie's so not inspirational.
Jeffrey with the new buzz.
He's out.
Save.
He didn't say that.
Zephyr Crane rocking the buzz cut. If you're playing field, you bat, but.
John
Oh, what a line.
still searching for that first
Ow.
career home run.
Corner. Yo, see Ben. Manning sleeping over tonight or no?
No,
Why not?
nothing's planned.
Bro, I literally invited you guys.
That sounds good. Have fun. All right, bro.
Oh!
Save.
Mitchell just made 2.
Hey! In the back of the ear. His hands are like the only things in the strike zone. Oh! Oh!
There it goes!
Oh! No, it's not.
You touched it fair. That was fair by a mile.
You can pretend he's not there, but he's there.
Yeah! Yeah! What a walk!
Oh! Oh! Safe!
He didn't even tag him. He did not even tag him.
Take the lead.
Oh! Deep to left field. There it goes. See ya. Oh my God.
Bradley Briskup! Oh yeah! We like those walks! What? Yes.
Fighting!
What did I do?
Yo, infield in.
Hey, John, you did one.
Yeah. Nice swing, Adam.
Oh, why are we so?
Read opening day, Jeff. What if instead of frame it was frisbee? So
That's a ghost.
Down, John, stare him down.
What? What if instead of Jeff?
6-2.
Can I get assessed in the chat?
What can't Mitch do? Can't be consistent. That has nothing to do with the game.
Oh, that's how it is. Torno left. Wait, Torno, walk in. Hey, swing like that again. You're going to go. The guy from Conference. Wow!
And he strikes out once again. What an error by Aiden.
This is like Aiden's 16th error of the game.
Aaron,
Yo, you're gonna turn the. Oh.
Yep.
Jeffrey, your 2-year-old brother is going to home run.
Dude, don't act like Ben didn't give him 5. Hey,
Hey, Mitch.
Yo, you tipped it over the fence for him.
Alley-oop. Hey, Mitch, alley-oop.
Mitch, never do anything like
Hey.
that.
Come on, boys. You're in class. You need to watch that. You're
Nice.
there.
Nice play, Adam.
Safe.
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 Now he's out. He's out.
Out by
No pitch. Yes.
Let's see what they can do in the field.
Safe. Not even close.
Bradley, you gotta go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's not running.
Oh, another error. Out still. Bradley's slow speed cannot get him to first, even with a fielding error.
Oh, what a play. Hot man. Oh,
Bradley, can Bradley
out.
Wait, I thought you missed the catch.
Out, he's out. Big Mouth's just gonna kill you, bro.
Get him out of here.
Both had enough for a homer, by the way.
That was
Why does it look uneven?
You're like game 1, game 2.
Get out, ball. See ya! Yeah, go high. Wait,
Was that one for Bradley Brisket?
you guys hear that? Ben Proof for Josiah.
Proof for Josiah. What does your comment have now?
2. Me and Drake met.
Oh, you liked your own comment?
Yeah, Drake met.
Wait, how did Drake man?
Drake met like my comment. Go. Fuck, dude.
Oh!
My riser's perfect for lefties, but I can't throw the same pitch every time.
We would have at least 20 home runs.
None of them against me, though. He ain't even.
Try without that pitch.
Look at him, man. So close, man. Making 2 errors in one play.
Oh, no. I think Owen's the worst player.
Hey, Papa Wheelie!
My gap isn't tall, it's wide. Just like Bradley did. Honor.
They have 0 chemistry, bro.
Warning. Oh.
Out! He's out.
Yo, well, Tool, get off the base. Them celebrating.
Nice, good pitch.
See, my team doesn't celebrate. No one else in the league does that, by the way.
Like he's such a loser.
No one else in the league does that, by the way.
What'd you say?
I don't think we should use it.
No, I said we're usually go 1.
I know, I got a tiebreaker.